Start your bars.
That's actually
A really good idea.
WD-40.
It's pretty flammable.
Yeah.
Do we have start bars?
No, I haven't seen that shit in years.
Yeah.
I have not seen Start Your Bars in years.
Cars get like addicted to start your bars.
Yes, I've heard of that. Cars get
Like they
addicted.
just proper gain an addiction to it. How is
Start
that
your
still
bars.
burning, bro?
I don't know.
It's probably like it's an old rag, so there's probably that much oil and that in there. Like,
Molotov, bruh. Get away, you licked my fucking screen last video, bro.
no, I didn't.
Fuck out of here. Yes,
Was
you
that in the
did.
video when you posted it.
Yes, I did.
Oh,
so
that's
there's
hot.
proof.
That's hot.
Wow, twisted workmeister. I guarantee my video is gonna sound like absolute arse because it's so fucking windy. Why is it just cocks on the door? Why is it just dicks on the door? It's just dicks. Just bulk penis. Look at that. What are we finding, Jasper? Go away, bro.
Shut up, bro.
It can't be your thing to just lick my fucking screen. See, search for the ones that say flammable.
Throttle body cleaner.
I could. How flammable? What's it saying?
That's only number
2.
two though. We need to
We
find
need
like
5, bro.
1,300.
No, isn't 5 the max?
That's a 2. Chain lubrication doesn't even have a number on it.
Yep.
That's power clean. That's air filter cleaner. You wouldn't want that to be flammable.
What about braking parts cleaner?
Yeah, what number's on that?
No number.
No number.
It is numberless. It just shows flammability.
Do they go up or 5 or is it just like...
Yeah, I swear that is what it is. Well, that's what it's like in the mines.
Is that what it is? Is it like 5 is like the most flammable?
Yeah? Yeah, see?
Well, we
Boom!
only
Right
have-
again.
we only
Water
have-
displacement 40. I'm just on the ball
We only have
today.
2 5s. I mean 2 2s. I mean, yeah, 2 2s.
We only have 2s.
Yeah, we only have 2s.
We need 5s. This guy.
That's a,
You reckon we need 5s?
That's a 2.
Yeah, we ain't got nothing then, I don't reckon.
That doesn't have a number on it.
Bro, it's hairspray. Oh, sorry, that's not the hairspray, that's fucking... We need some really flammable shit. So we can go boom boom. Explodey. Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying, bruh? Ooh. Bags are kind of not it though. I don't like bags. Do you like bags?
Stop.
Damn. It's a lovely Friday afternoon.
But we're gonna have to go get some 5s.
Some fives. Some explodey boys.
Yeah, what those blokes were using was fucking lighter fluid, and they were just like, which I can't imagine would be a fucking nice little shebang.
Little, you reckon?
Yeah.
I'm fucking
We'll be back
standing
tomorrow for
way
prime.
up there. A little bit.
There we go.
Good afternoon, y'all.
You cut it.
Of course you have beers, cunt. Big reg dog.
Reg. Alright.
You want the WD-40?
Yeah, Reggie, grab that WD-40. Grab that WD, Reg. Wait up.
Light it on fire, bro. We're blowing shit up.
I sprayed a heat.
He said it, I didn't say it.
Come over this side and just fuck this down that hole.
I'm running out of fire.
Oh, you'll be alright, that'll be enough. Push, hit it.
Really? Fuck. Nearly got it again. We're close. We're close.
By the time we get it, tire be melted.
Right, I get those Gktech, man. To give it something different to go.
That actually looks good.
There's the reg. Yeah, the reg.
Yeah, I'll be having a sec. I'm running out of fire.
Why do you suck at this, bro? You just like
on fire, baby.
Yeah, fire, baby. Absolutely clapping that proper.
No, it's fine, bro.
It's a fire bar now.
You gonna have enough?
I'm hoping so.
On fire?
Yeah, a little bit.
Got enough flame left, right?
Go. Your shoe's on fire. Your shoe's on fire. What if you get someone to hold it? And then just blow it up like that? No, I'm alright, bro. I'm filming.
Cameraman never dies, man.
Yeah, you're right, eh? Kelly moves. What's that?
Rally rules, cameraman never died.
Yes. How many of those Stax singlets do you have, Reg? Enough to wear one every single day? I swear every day I see you, you're in one of them. When are you getting sponsored, Reg?
One day.
One day.
If you were representing, then you'd be white in the fires. I would have had this on already.
This guy.
Oh, someone spray me. Pull up on there, Reg.
Righto, Reg.
Don't catch that cunt on fire. Fucking hell. A bit close, bro. This guy. This guy.
I gotta walk through a cave with this shit.
Ooh. It just is not giving exploding vibes.
Where's the C4?
That's what I'm saying.
Explosion.
Get him.
Yeah. Nice. Oh,
Damn. Fuck. Missed it.
got it as well.
One, two.
That was a good one.
Missed it. This spray heaps on the inside that time.
Heaps on the inside is what you need to do, because then it like pushes the sidewalls of the fire over that bead. You know when it explodes. I'm talking to you, Reg.
I'm black, I know about fires.
YouTube, please don't demonetize me if I put this in here.
The nipple guy.
Yeah, the nipple guy. This is the nipple guy from my last video.
Are we still on fire? I don't know if I'm still on fire.
Surely. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's going. I've seen it move.
Damn it!
Bro, feel how hot this is. Feel that.
Like 400 degrees.
Why? This guy. This guy.
We haven't given up,
No.
Reggie. We're taking a short break. We'll be back with you shortly.
Enjoy the ad break, guys. Yeah. So, like I said in the last video, when I was dropping the knuckles off, drop them off. They are back, looking good. All back together. $200 to get it all pressed in there and all sorted. Now it's just under the car. Got my old tie rod ends off, as you can see. Got them out. Big Jeff gave me a hand with that.
Yeah, boy.
Got new ones to go in. They're a little bit longer. Just a little bit, but yeah, put them in and get that dust cover off that old one. Yeah, so I've got to take that off, get that dust cover off so I'm not breaking it. Want to keep them because it's good to have dust covers. Yeah, do that, put them on, and should be alright. And then I'll put the, whatever they're called, having a brain fart, put them on as well, and then plenty more to come after that. Should be alright. Yeah, mad.
Upper's already in.
Up is in. Get that wishbone in. Yeah.
Should you do the wishbone or the knuckle first?
No, I'll do the wishbone. Question mark. Yeah, love the angles, Eve. Got Eve videoing for me right now. But I got the lower control arms in, the upper control arms in, 2 spaces either side on them, and then you will get, with this kit, big spaces and little spaces. You want 2 big spaces. I can do this bit. 2 big spaces for, I don't know what side you would call that. But for that side, and then this outside bit, little spaces, got 2 big spaces either side for them, and 4 either side. That's just even. You can adjust that either way, like have it so there's 6 spaces on one side and 2 on the other. That's what you'll get your adjustment from for all your stuff, really. Yeah.
Give me a kiss, brah.
Yo. I'm not gay, I swear. I don't like dudes.
Are you sure?
I don't like dudes. I don't like dudes. I don't. But yeah, got them in, get the wishbone in. Eve's gonna video that for me because she's a god. Yeah, Jasper will give me a hand.
Go on, start, bro.
My bro. My brother.
Nah, no way, bro. He just pulled a mad pookie.
Oh, yeah! Zon, that is so bad.
Oh,
Oh, yeah! Zon, you can video yourself.
No.
again!
This guy.
Always fall for it, bro. So I didn't video.
Shit, mate, eh? Just drinking straight vodka. Oh my god. Oh my lord. Bro. Nah. How? Light work, no reaction.
Oh,
How did you skull that, bro?
Because I'm just a fucking weapon.
What a rig. Yeah, I didn't video, like, I literally did not video nothing last night. I kinda was just, yeah, on the ball, not really, but yeah. I got one side of the lock kit in, as you can see here. Uppers, lowers, wishbone, coilovers, tie rod end in there, boom boom, all good, tightened everything. Moving on to the next side, I put a wheel on there because I was curious, obviously wanted to see how much lock it had, and holy shit, like so much. Money well spent, honestly. It's just gonna help so much drifting, and you know, eventually maybe do some backies. That would be kind of sick. But move on to the other side. As you can see, bare bums. There's nothing here. It ain't coming down to the ground yet, but yeah, get moving on this side so it can be on the ground at least and move. It's been in the shed a while. Little while. But yeah, do that and get it on the ground, get it rolling, get an alignment next week. Probably have to take a day off work. Do that. Jesus Christ.
Just to upload it onto my hard drive.
Yeah, right. But take a day off work. Probably take it down to Newey somewhere. I'll ring around during the week so I can get a proper alignment, like all the toe, all that sort of stuff. I'm just gonna go off the sheet here. So honestly, I don't really know what I want.
Camber caster, toe.
It's got all that. Camber angle 2 to 5, caster 4 to 5, total toe out 2 to 5 mil.
Do you know if this kit is Ackerman adjustable? Because I know that their other kit that they made, the more basic one, is Ackerman adjustable.
Yeah,
this freshly. Yeah, okay.
This is. So.
Yeah.
But yeah. And then I got different tie. What would you call them? Tie rod
ends.
Yeah. I got, what was it, 56 mil.
So
56 mil, then like a 65 mil and a 70 something, 72 mil, I think. I just went the happy medium, went in the middle. So I'm kind of just playing this by ear. I understand the basics of it, but yeah, I'm kind of gonna have to drive the car or drift the car to sort of, you know, see what I like and that sort of stuff. So it's really gonna come down to getting it lined up so I'm not just fucking, you know, steering off to the left or something like that and just dying. But get it so it's driving straight, and then yeah, go from there and see how it feels, see if I like it, what I want to adjust, and yeah. But do that. Had to go down to Super Cheap to get, honestly only needed the 2830 and the 32, but it was like $70 for like 23 and up, I think, and 130 for that. So just get them all, I say. Use them all eventually. But yeah, Jasper is currently uploading a YouTube video. Hopefully that's uploaded by tonight, with mine as well. This will be my video. But yeah, smash this other side out, stop yapping, and get it done. Get it on the ground, give the car a bit of a run. Hasn't been ran in ages. Warm it up, get it out of the shed, and then probably smack the VL in here, I would assume. His dad is pretty keen on getting that sorted out. Yeah. He's got a tail shaft, custom tail shaft to get for it, because it has got a cheeky little motor in there. Cheeky little motor. So, yeah. But yeah, rearranged all the cars. Cars looking beautiful. Nav, Jasper's nav, my AU, Jasper's BA, with the new rims on it. Looks absolutely dog shit, eh? Nah. Love the dish. The dish looks absolutely mad. Got some new little valve caps. They look good. Don't look at that. Don't worry about that. But yeah, rearrange all the cars. Got Dad's G, Dad's VE, Dad's VL, Dad's VU.
That's my V8.
Motherfucker got a lot of cars, bro.
That's my
We got a
V8.
lot of cars.
We do have a lot
And
of
then
cars.
you can't see, but behind there, there is
A VG.
a VG 1990 Ute and a VS Ute 1996.
96.
Fuck, that's... I got age on you, boy.
6 years.
It's really not that good. Really. It's actually not that rusty, but you know, tear the car down and probably see some stuff. But yeah, gonna get into this. Jasper will help me out if he's a good fucking mate. Probably won't though, because it's just a shit cunt. The shittest cunt.
Well, this video is uploading.
But yeah, smash this out and yeah, give you some little clips along the way of me installing it. So yeah,
That's what
should
I'll
be
your
good.
I'll be your videographer.
A videographer,
Yes.
get all those cute angles.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Yeah, nice. Nice, man. Just shit yourself, bro?
I did just accidentally leave a number 3 in my pants. Drifting video?
No.
Fair
No,
enough.
I did
man.
I did not YouTube. Got the knuckle in. Little bolt at the top of that.
What is it, a 16 or 17?
No, I won't worry about tightening it yet. I'll lift this up.
Yeah, and then you want me to put the nut in the bottom of the lower control arm onto the bottom of that knuckle.
Yeah, you'll have to grab the nut over there.
Where?
Right there in that little bag. One nut, one washer. On the, yep. That's the one.
Nope. Yep.
Huh? So that's the one.
Ah! Go.
Alright, you ready?
I can't see shit. Do you want some grease on that thing?
Oh, gonna do.
Send it, guys.
On your fat head's annoying.
Damn, man. Just
Wow,
go
dude. Perfect.
Piece of shit. This is what you are. Go up higher. I haven't got that the wrong way, do I?
No, that is the correct way.
What's that? Oh, fuck. Just gonna hit it. There we go.
Fuck off.
You're really failing at life right now. Yeah, it's good shit. Alright, get that coil over in.
Holy fucking... This coilover has many children and spiders and shit playing in it. Oh my
Don't show that
God.
on video, bro. That's embarrassing. Jesus.
See what I mean? It's just some fucking families in there. I've got these bolts up here whenever you're ready.
These coilovers are
Dog shit.
as old as the car has been that I know of.
My arm hurts.
It does?
Yes.
Alright, you ready, Jap?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, go on that way. This.
Spider.
It's only a daddy long legs.
Daddy.
That's what they call it after school.
Hold
Daddy long legs. Spin it clockwise a little bit. Teeny tiny cat.
Fuck.
Yeah.
This is called using all body parts. Can you get that? Yep.
Fuck me.
I'm holding it. You have a limited amount of time.
You're right, you're good.
All good?
Yeah, man.
Madness.
Do you want me to do that up?
Nah.
We're just gonna keep this all.
You reckon I
extremely
fucked up by
close.
leaving the brake caliper on that side?
Yeah, fucking oath you did, but that's alright because we can just take this top one off, swing this wishbone out, and then put it on the other side.
Yeah, man.
Actually, no, we can't because that coilover's now in its place.
Like this, I just dropped it.
Oh, easy, my Jeezy. You want that bucket as well?
Yeah.
Probably have
I just farted.
to. Just a little pookie.
Yeah, just a little pookie. It just escaped from my bungholio. What? We're gonna go over this. You might have to fuck around with lifting that up.
Probably help if you didn't have that.
Hey, shut up, bro. Fucking shit talking.
SMD.
Pull that up. Bit more. Bit more. Like that.
Falcon eyes.
Us.
Hell yeah, dude.
Us, my G. That was kind of quick.
Yo, that's effing gangster, my G. See, didn't swear. Don't have to edit it.
Cheers, bro.
I'm on your side here.
I really appreciate it.
This is really hot.
You have my sincerest
It does get really hot.
apologies.
Yeah, this sway bar is stopping me sway.
Hey man, did you know that your wastegate up here is missing a nut?
Don't know what you're talking about. What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
That's dangerous.
Why? What's dangerous about that at all?
It's not even. It's where your screamer pipe goes onto your... I'm joking. He doesn't have an externally wastegated turbo. This car's completely legal. This Gktech
Completely
kit is
stock
also
standard from
made
factory.
From Nissan.
Yeah, Nissan actually makes this. I don't know what all these Gktech things are. It must be another aftermarket company.
Yeah, it's like Nismo, but another kind.
Yeah, so this is totally street legal in every single way. Don't think it is otherwise, and if you think it is, you're a liar. And you know,
Yeah, but
maybe
what
have a
about your-
long hard think to
but
yourself.
What about
Right?
your 55mm external wastegate you have up here with that 1.75 inch screamer
Oh,
pipe
that's
you have?
just a photo I got off Google, bro.
Oh yeah, too easy. Man.
Yeah,
That's
so-
alright then.
Yeah.
It's just like a bit of paper sitting on
Yeah,
the engine
yep.
bay.
Yeah, it wouldn't catch on fire or anything while I'm driving. So
Yeah, no.
I laminated it, so it's
Yeah,
alright.
No, that's all good, man.
Yeah. Well, that side went together very, 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 very quickly. Didn't it? Tit. Now, what is this bolt to?
Weight reduction. Just leave it.
Oh, no. Don't worry. That's to my, to my old toilet, and I believe
I can fly.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
Are you gonna put those rack spaces in?
Dream about it every night and day. Jasper is kinda gay.
Because you like have a super lock kit and that, why don't you just put it at full lock and then... Oh, your fucking tie rod's not connected, my bad, bros.
Doesn't need to be.
There we go. What do you say, Zan?
Thanks, Pookie.
No, that's thanks, Daddy.
No. That's what you call me.
Daddy Jap, bro. I'm older than you, bro. I squirted out of that womb like probably 12 hours before you did, so
Shut up.
it's Daddy to you.
Alright. All good. Leave it like that. We'll get the torque wrench.
Is the other side torqued?
What?
Oh, what's that?
There's a black one.
Dragonfly.
They won't kill you.
Unless you look at them wrong.
So there we go. That I reckon even push those bump stops over more. See that?
Well, oh yeah.
Probably have them there, and then see. Probably have it right in this way.
That'll mean you have less angle though.
Yeah, I know, but if that stops me from scrubbing,
Quite possibly.
it'll have to be like that.
Quite possibly.
But yeah.
Because you currently scrub on that pinch weld right there.
Yeah.
So worst case scenario, we grab a grinder and go to
You
town
in the
on that.
grinder, bro.
What? It's an effective
In
and
reality,
efficient
it would be
way
the
to
best
operate.
if it was full drift and the
Just have a tube front end.
yeah.
Yeah, no, I do agree.
Oh, oi. Yeah. There's no way you just lick that.
I lick it all the time. It's clean. Because I lick it all the time.
It's clean because I lick it up. Can't remember what size this is.
Can
like
you
that
go
double
away?
Beading.
Oh, you're so annoying.
What's this clip from, Zan? Looks important. Oh, that'll be from your brakes, eh? What? This clip. Yeah. Do you need it?
Can't use them anymore. So they clip
Yeah, they clip that middle part of your brake line where it had that
on the
little
knuckle
round thing, and then it's just like.
Yeah.
I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, remember when I come home that day and you were
Struggling?
to get your brake lines off? And I was like, hey man.
I actually don't remember that.
Oh shit.
I call cab.
No.
Straight
Not
up.
cap.
Straight up. Cab salad.
No cap.
Cab salad.
No cap.
Cab salad.
100 for the torque, it's 90 to 120.
Did you put it all on as one thing, or did you put on the spacer first and then the tile onto the spacer? Into the spacer.
That is torqued to spec. Before we get ahead of ourselves, you want to go over to the vise and grab the boot, the rack boot, please. That would be muchly appreciated.
They didn't give you a new one?
Nice. It's like 9:30 at night now. Lowered it down, battery was dead, started it, moved it. I was worried about it rubbing on the guards. What do you know? It rubbed on the guards. So, yeah. Yep. Rip the guards off. I don't know what I'm going to do about it because I got a drift event coming up on the 17th, is it, Jet?
Yep.
17th. I need guards, otherwise I can't do it. So, I don't know. I haven't really thought what I'm going to do yet. Well, the main thing is raise the coilovers, but they're really, really old. And I have a feeling I will run into the problem of them being seized, but guess I got to give it a crack. Hit it with heaps of WD-40. We've currently, because I'm going to get out of the shed so Dad can have it back.
Have a gaze at this one,
Zip tie blinker. Zip ties are the best.
That?
What do we got here, bro?
Because it's like
Fully around the rail.
There, so I had to also hold it there just in case it does fall. It'll give it a bit of a fucking,
Yes.
you know.
Beautiful other blinker. But yeah, it is so fucking low. It's crazy.
Ridiculous.
Yep. And the socket count for this car is just, you know, exceeding. I found 2 sockets behind the passenger guard. Those 2 sockets, love it. There was so much shit behind there, kind of glad they had to come off. Got a little bit of rust, surface rust here, same as on the other side. Other than that, it's not too bad. I do have a rust bubble on the passenger guard right there. Looks beautiful, but that was only on the guard. So, can't be too mad about that.
I'm getting comprehensive insurance.
Comprehensive insurance?
Yeah, look, bro.
Love it. Are you just zip tight overkilling this?
Mm-hmm.
This front bar ain't going nowhere. But yeah, it's very late. I've been working on my car all day. Jap's been giving me a hand. It's very, very good. Because Jasper is ready for a drift event. And I is not. Yeah. We'll be calling around, like I said before, to get an alignment. Not too sure what specs I'm going to run yet. Probably just go off the sheet though. And yeah, should be pretty good. But yeah, I don't know if I'll get this out of the shed tonight or yeah. Very exciting though. I am excited for a drift event. I am going to do a full sort of day vlog sort of thing, getting the car on the trailer, whatnot, all that fun stuff. A few clips of us going down there. It is going to be a night event. It's a double header, so we booked the wet pan and the figure 8. I think the figure 8's dry and the wet pan is the wet pan. It's wet, if you know what I'm saying. But yeah, so that should be fun. I haven't really drifted in the dry yet, so see how we go. I'm gonna have all the angle in the world, so it should be pretty good. Handbrake's pretty good in this. But yeah, I might even tighten it before I go, just so I know it's a bit tight, a bit tighter. I don't know. If all that goes to shit and I can't get this car down here, I guess I'll take the Falcon, because I want to drift. I want to drift. But yeah, you know, sort of love this look though. You know, full drift missile. Full drift miss. It's mad. But yeah, it's gonna be good fun. Loving it. And yeah, probably call it a night really. I'm kind of tired, ready for bed, got work in the morning. Gotta wake up at stupid o'clock. So, you know. But probably get back into it tomorrow. Probably call this a video for now. And then what I do throughout the week can be in next week's video. But yeah, do that because this is, you know, it's pretty much done. Just I'll drop it off to the shop, get an alignment, get it back. Should be pretty good to go from there. If worst comes to worst, I can just, you know, adjust some shit at the track, because that is the joy of that. Take some tools and whatnot, chuck a jack under it, and yeah, go for gold. But yeah,
lock kit is in, and there's like really not much angle at all. I think we bought the wrong one, bro.
Honestly, bro,
like not much angle.
It's pretty nice.
Very good, very nice.
Very good, very nice. But yeah, wrapping it up for the night. We got work in the morning. It's very late. Should be in bed already, but fuck it. You only live once, eh? Now I feel like it's lower in the front and it's like sitting down.
Yeah, it is.
But the guards not being there doesn't help. But yeah, wrap it up for the night. It's on the ground at least, looking beautiful. And yeah, all the luck in the world. Gonna sort out those bump stops in there so I can actually go lock to lock without scrubbing on sway bars and the rest of it.
You can now stand on your wheel.
Get a photo, bruh, of me on there for sure.
No, bro, this is all me, bro.
No. No. Look at this. Look at this guy. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. But yeah.
Look at this dude.
Wrap it up for the night. It's on the ground. Happy so far. Game plan is rip coilovers out. Absolutely soak them in whatever.
40, everything.
Every lubricant ever to exist. Because they've been in the car since we've got it. Had it for about 4, nearly 5 years. Who knows how long they were in there before, but they are rusty as, so yeah. I'm gonna wrap this up as a video. That'll be next week's video. Coilovers, whatnot. Getting ready for drift weekend. But yeah.
The double header.
The double header.
Booked in for the figure 8 and the wet pan. So
yeah, I did touch base on that.
Mad.
I thought you were talking about the double header that we were going to do, like our heads touching. Yeah, we do need to get some rims. But yeah, I don't know. Worst comes to worst though, if those coilovers do not work, those guards. I think it's gonna have to be.
She'll be right, mate. Just cut off like that where it goes like flat and down. Just cut that.
Maybe. We'll see. See how we go though. But worst comes to worst, that will be happening.
We're gonna take it for a test drive like this up our private road.
We could, yes.
To make sure that it operates correctly.
I need to put that
one down,
those little spaces on.
Down. That would be a good idea.
Yeah, should probably put them on first. But yeah, that's it for a video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna go have a shower, have some dinner, make out with Jasper.
Just like this.